Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to add a payment method to your Shopify store, updated for 2025. Let's begin. Step 1. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then click Payments. Step 2. You'll see a section called Payment Providers. Click Add Payment Method. Step 3. Choose a provider like PayPal, Stripe, Shopify Payments, or even cryptocurrency gateways like Coinbase Commerce. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your account. You may need API keys or logins depending on the method you select. Step 5. Once connected, click Activate and the new payment option will appear at checkout. Tip: always test your checkout after setup to ensure everything works smoothly for your customers. That's it. You've added a new payment method on Shopify in 2025. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more Shopify tips.